Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Subtitles drift because timing often differs from the video frame rate. The only reliable fix is setting a subtitle delay or offset in Player. Players display offset in milliseconds or seconds, like 500 ms or 0.5 seconds. Open subtitle settings or press the subtitle hotkey to change the offset. If subtitles appear early, add positive delay of 250 ms to 500 ms. If subtitles appear late, add negative delay like minus 250 ms to minus 500 ms. Test playback and fine-tune in 50 ms steps until the timing matches. When a player offset fixes timing, make the change permanent with a subtitle editor. Load the SRT into the editor and apply a bulk shift in milliseconds or seconds. Use values like 200 ms or 1.5 seconds based on your test results. If the video uses a different frame rate, convert timestamps from 23.976 to 24 or 25 FPS as needed. Export the retimed SRT and save it with a clear file name. Reload that adjusted SRT in the player to verify sync. Keep backups of the original file before saving changes. If offset adjustments still fail, check other causes that mimic delay. Verify subtitle encoding and change to UTF-8 if character issues affect timing. Disable hardware acceleration in the player to rule out rendering delays from the GPU. Update the player and codecs to reduce audio or decode drift by seconds. Use keyboard hotkeys to nudge subtitles in 50 ms steps for quick fine-tuning. If the source timestamps are wrong, use a subtitle editor to resynchronize accurately. Finally, save the fixed SRT and reload the file to confirm complete sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.